The 2019 Porsche 911992 by Techart. There's a rule of thought that a lot of tuners abide. You don't work on a tuning program for a Porsche 911 unless you know what you're doing. There are a handful of tuners out there that are regarded as being some of the best Porsche tuners in the business. Techart is one of them. The German tuner has built and developed programs for a lot of Porsche models. It has an impeccable reputation, earned from years of building some of the best kits you can buy for your beloved Porsches. It just so happens that Techart has a new program to offer, one for the all-new, 992 generation Porsche 911. In keeping with its stature, Techart's new kit is loaded in all departments. From exterior changes to engine upgrades, the German tuner covered all its bases, and the result is a tuning program that owners of the new 911992 should seriously consider getting. Don't take it from us, check out the program and see for yourselves. Exterior. There's a lot to unpack when it comes to the exterior upgrades provided by Techart for the Porsche 911992. Let's start in the front, where a new 5-piece front spoiler with an integrated splitter can be installed without removing the 911's OEM front apron. Not only does this give the 911992 a sportier front profile, but the aerodynamic benefits that the spoiler provides will be dramatically felt once we come to the engine upgrade program. Just above the front spoiler setup are a pair of 2-piece airframes that make the air intakes pop out more than they already do. The side air outlet trims in front of the wheel arches, and the sharp side skirts dominate the visual upgrades in the side of the new Porsche 911. Techart's side skirts are unique because of its multi-piece design. There's an inner side skirt profile that can be effortlessly integrated into the body of the sports car, and there's an outer side skirt that sits closer to the ground. It's hard to miss the outer skirt, in part because you'll immediately notice it with the small shark-like fin sitting in front of the rear wheel arches. The rear section is staggering in its own way. At the very least, it's a good showcase of what Techart is capable of as one of the best Porsche tuners in the market. First, let's talk about the rear spoilers, the dynamics that come to play when you avail of the setup. If you're the type who prefers subtlety, the tuner is offering a rear spoiler add-on that can be mounted to the 911's standard deployable rear spoiler, significantly addressing the sports car's aerodynamic needs with the program in play. Suppose, though, you want something that's the opposite of subtle, something that screams for attention. If that's your game, then, by all means, go for the massive fixed rear wing that can also be attached to the standard rear spoiler. It even comes with support arms made of glass like macrolin, a transparent and high-tensile polycarbonate that I know very little about but trust Techart regardless. A separate roof spoiler is also available. Don't sleep on this specific piece because it's tasked to specifically guide the airstream generated by the 911 straight to the rear spoilers. All these upgrades already point to significant departures for the Porsche 911992. Visually and aerodynamically, the aftermarket equipment Techart is offering for the exterior of the new 911 is incredible. And for what all of that is worth, we haven't gotten into one of the most important elements of the entire tuning kit, the wheels. For this particular program, Techart didn't just provide a fancy set of wheels for the Porsche.
To read the full article, check the link in the description. If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.